I just couldn't stay in the bed with this. I had to get up early. This is where I slept, right here. You see the little bed? I think it's a water bed. My goodness, it was terrible. So if you ever watch, remember Freddy Krueger? I think it was Freddy Krueger number 4 when he killed that lady in the waterbed. So yeah, I really did not sleep well. I had some crazy freaking dreams. So yeah, this is my morning, my sweethearts. This is my morning. I had to get up and catch the sunrise. See the moon? It's still here. It's the moon right here. That's the moon, guys. This is the moon. The moon is still here. I really want to go in the water today. I think I will go. I really want to go. I'll go with my friend. This is my morning, my sweethearts. This is my morning. My morning. See that? Did you see that? See how people don't know the value of the country. Just walk in and walk. See that? And to think that I was stuck in my room uploading videos, and God said, Rebecca, you need to take a break. You've been working. Oh, sorry. It's difficult to walk in this. Alright guys, this is my morning, my sweethearts. I'm gonna go in the water today. I will not chicken out and all. I think I should be fine. I'll go in the water. Fauché, my sweet Haiti. My dear Haiti. If I was in Boston right now, it would have been probably like what, freaking 30 degrees.